1,000 pesos.
Wow.
Alright, so let's proceed now to our basketball men.
And our winners tonight will receive a certificate with a citation. A certificate of achievement is hereby awarded to for being the champion in the basketball tournament during the Mayor's Cup Sports Festival 2024 held at Sergio Osmeña Municipal Gymnasium, Sergio Osmeña, Zamboanga del Norte on November 18 to 22, 2024. Your exceptional skills, sportsmanship, and dedication to the game have set a remarkable standard of excellence. Presented this 22nd day of November 2024 at Sergio Osmeña, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. Signed by Honor Reggie L.